Welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be a word that can be used in a lot of different scenarios, just like áshłééh, which means I'm making. It's the Navajo word be, which means by means of. That's probably the best description of how you can describe it in Navajo. Another way you can think of it is I'm using this, or this is being used, this item is being used. It's probably the best way to think of it. It's not the best translation because there's actually precise words for using like cho'eh, choyol'eh, chosh'eh, but we won't even go there. There's more precise words for saying using, but it's probably the best way to think of it for now, so we'll kind of use that kind of concept. First of all, have your annotations on so you can see the subtitles. Second, keep in mind the basic Navajo language structure: object, action, verb. If you're seeing this video for the first time, it's best to watch previous videos because we're building on top of things we've already learned to show you how to use brand new words and to form sentences in Navajo. Again, it is Navalish, so that in case you don't know the Navajo word for an object, just stick in the English word and you'll be fine, because it's how people talk on the Navajo reservation. So again, object, action, verb. First example, let's say you want to say something like, I'm using my computer to download some songs. Let's start with what we already know. I'm downloading some songs. You would say, songs, download, áshłééh. Again, the object being songs, the action being downloading, and the verb áshłééh, which means I'm making, goes at the end. Songs, download, áshłééh, meaning some. Whatever you're using to achieve the action, which is downloading, you throw that at the beginning, which is computer. So you would say, sh computer be. Using my computer, sh computer be, using it. Sh computer be, using my computer, songs download, áshłééh. Sh computer be, songs download, áshłééh. I'm using my computer to download some songs. You can also say, I'm using my computer to burn some CDs. Again, burning being the action, CDs being the object, burning being the action, áshłééh being the verb, meaning I'm making. So to say, I'm burning some CDs, CDs burn, áshłééh, CDs burn, áshłééh. Whatever you're using to achieve the action, which is burning, goes at the beginning, so the computer. Sh computer be, using my computer. Sh computer be, CDs burn, áshłééh. Sh computer be, CDs burn, áshłééh. Be meaning using it. If you want to say, I'm using my phone to show you some pictures, so I'm showing you some pictures is pictures show, áshłééh. Pictures being the object, show being the action, áshłééh being the verb, meaning I'm making. Pictures show, áshłééh. Pictures show, áshłééh. Again, it means to you. Pictures show, áshłééh. So if you're saying, I'm using my phone to show you some pictures, again, the action being showing, whatever you're using to achieve the action goes first, which is the phone. Sh phone be, using my phone, sh phone be, pictures show, áshłééh, I'm showing you some pictures. That's how you would use it. Or if you're saying, I'm using your phone to call him or her, you would say, well, let's break it down first. To say, I'm calling him or her, you're saying, bich'in call, áshłééh. Bich'in means him or her. Bich'in call, áshłééh, I'm calling him or I'm calling her. So to say, I'm using your phone to call him or her, you would say, ne phone be. Again, ne means you. If it's ne phone, it means your phone. Ne phone be, using your phone. Ne phone be, bich'in call, áshłééh. And again, if you want to sound polite, like you learned in the previous lesson, you stick in ya at the end. Na phone be bitchin call áshłééh ya. Is it okay if I call him or her using your phone? Na phone be bitchin call áshłééh ya. That's how it works. If you want to say, I'm using his or her phone to text you, I'm using his or her phone to text you. Again, I'm texting you is nich text áshłééh, nich text áshłééh. So again, texting being the action, whatever you're using to achieve the action goes first, which is his or her phone. So you would say, b'phone be, using his phone or her phone, b'phone be, nich text áshłééh. B'phone be, nich text áshłééh. I'm using his or her phone to text you. That's what it means. Be. It can be used a lot of different ways. It's crazy. What else? Again, before you learned bitch and nich. After you learned bitch and nich, you learned ba and na. Ba meaning for him or for her, na for you. So you can say something like, I'm warming up some food for him or her using a microwave. So you can say I'm warming up food for him or for her would be food ba warm up áshłééh. Food ba warm up áshłééh. I'm warming up food for him or for her. Food ba warm up áshłééh. Ba for him or for her. So you can, whatever you're using to achieve the action, which is warming up, would be the microwave. So you put that at the beginning. Microwave be, using the microwave. Microwave be, food ba warm up áshłééh. Microwave be, food ba warm up áshłééh. That's how you would use that word. If you want to say like, I'm using his or her printer to print this for you. Brand new word for today. Sorry, I keep throwing new words. So D means this. D means this. So you would say, I'm printing this for you. D na print áshłééh. D, this meaning the object. Action being printing. And then the verb áshłééh. The verb being áshłééh means I'm making it. D na print áshłééh. I'm printing this for you. D na print áshłééh. Again, the action being printing, whatever you're doing to achieve the action goes at the beginning, which is his or her printer. Be printer, his or her printer, be printer be, using their printer. Be printer be, D na print áshłééh. Be printer be, D na print áshłééh. Again, this is how you basically make Navajo sentences. Now, if you want to say something like, I'm using my charger to charge your phone. I'm using my charger to charge your phone. Let's take a step back. So I'm charging your phone for you. You would say na phone na charge áshłééh. Na phone na charge áshłééh. So again, the phone being the object, charging being the action, and áshłééh meaning I'm making being the verb at the end. So na phone na for you. Na phone na charge áshłééh. I'm charging your phone. So whatever you're doing to achieve the action, which is charging, that goes at the beginning of all that. So should charger be, using my charger. Should charger be, na phone na charge áshłééh. Should charger be, na phone na charge áshłééh. I'm using my charger to charge your phone. Sorry, it's kind of confusing, but that's how you use that word, be. But it's such a versatile word. That's why it's used for a lot of Navajo words. Like when you say besh behene, like you're using metal to talk. Besh behene, be meaning use. Besh being metal, hane meaning talking in some form. Besh behene, you're using metal to talk your phone to talk. Or Dinék'ehjí, which is a pen or a pencil. Whatever you're using to write. Dinék'ehjí. Dinék'ehjí, which is a saw. Whatever you're using to saw something. Dinék'ehjí. Again, it's a very, very versatile word. Be Naník'ehjí, which is a Navajo word for microwave. Whatever you're using to warm up something. Be Naník'ehjí. And ahéhee, by the way, is the Navajo word for saw. It's a word that's used to make names for a lot of different things, because you use it to do a lot of different actions. So it's a very, very versatile word. Just know that it's used to make names for certain objects. It's a very, very versatile word, and you can use it in a lot of different ways. And that's how we're going to be using it for what you've already learned so far to make Navajo words. So I hope you're learning a lot. I hope you're learning a little about the Navajo language, about sentence structure, as we're slowly building through this. Again, tell me what you think. Tell me your opinions of these Navajo language lessons. I know they're complex, and we're moving slowly, but we're kind of moving fast at the same time. But I hope you're learning and enjoy learning, and I hope you have a good evening. And that was tonight's Navajo word of the day. Be, by means of this. Be.